Influential, prominent, profound German philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche said, "We love life not because we are used to living, but because we are used to loving," meaning we actually are always in the habit of not only loving life, but also we fall in love with our individual lives over and over and over again, despite all of its external challenges, internal turmoils, and conflicts that we suffer on an individual and personal level, is because life itself is beautiful, magnificent, and marvelous. Life can also be considered to be not only a gift of evolution itself, but also something that made evolution possible in the first place, and that maybe the universe and the cosmos, alongside a moral governor and a higher authority and a supreme command, that maybe the God himself that first thought about life on earth in the first place, and then he worked alongside all the universal phenomena and cosmic realities to make the finite, materialistic, and relative worlds, which is the earth, possible. And then he also made two human beings for the first time, Adam and Eve, and from them came the rest of the humanity in one way or another. So that is the biblical theory. But when it comes to evolution, the evolution also happened because of the existence of the universe and the cosmos in the first place. So we love life not necessarily because we are used to living. Now everyone lives, but everyone does not love, empathize, or feel something for someone or the self. But we actually are used to loving not just ourselves, our achievements, triumphs, and conquests, but also the other people in their behavior, character, personality, actions, etc. And that's why we also are able to love life in general alongside our personal lives. So life is always going to throw torments, tortures, conflicts, and difficulties at us in many different forms in one way or another, because life itself is unpredictability and it is also suffering. Life is the epitome of not just miracles, wonders, and marvels, but it's also a kind of hell of suffering and pain and conflict that just does not end, because it's again meaningless and worthless at its core. It's baseless and hollow from the inside. So life has its own suffering because of lack of content, significance, and meaning. And despite our meaningful actions, we still had to deal with a lot of uncertainties and trauma.